So I'm gonna quickly review converting metric units since we did it last week. You did converting metric units of length and capacity. And this week you're gonna do metric units of weight and mass. It really isn't any different. The only difference is the units that you're measuring in. You're still gonna use this resource here that I gave you last week for converting metric units, and it's gonna be the same exact steps. Like I said, the only difference is the unit that you're measuring in. And then you're gonna do converting units of time, which I'll have a separate video on that. So first things first, I'm going from 8,000 grams to kilograms. I kind of already solved it, but I'm gonna take you step by step. You're gonna use your step ladder. I'm going from grams to kilograms. Grams is here, it's my base unit, and then I need to get to kilo. So I'm going to go up the ladder 1, 2, 3, which means I'm dividing by 10 to the power of 3, or 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 1,000. So I'm either gonna divide 8,000 by 1,000, or remember, if you're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you're gonna move your decimal place to the left however many steps you took. So because there's 1, 2, 3 steps, I can move my decimal place to the left 3 times if I wanted to. So either way, I've got 8,000 divided by 1,000, which is equal to 8. Or if I have 8,000 here, remember your decimal place is always at the end if it's not already in the problem. And you're gonna move it to the left 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, which would also give you 8. Okay, and then let's say I have 0.061 kilograms. So I'm gonna go the opposite direction. So now I'm going from kilograms to grams. So now I'm going down the ladder 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, which is 10 to the power of 3, or times 1,000, because I'm going to multiply now because I'm now going from larger to smaller. Or move my decimal place. Decimal place moves to the right 3 times. So I've got 0.061. I'm gonna move my decimal place to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3, which is gonna give me 61. And then the last thing I wanna show you is the comparison ones. So you've got 4,000 milligrams, and you gotta put a less than, equal to, or greater than symbol. Remember when you're doing the comparison, let me separate these, that you either have to convert this one to be this, or you need to convert grams to milligrams. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever really works for you. So because what I'm gonna do is milligrams, I'm gonna change to grams. So I'm going from milligrams to grams. Milligram is here. Grams is here, so I'm gonna go up the ladder 3 times, which means I either need to divide by 1,000, or move my decimal place to the left 1, 2, 3 times. So if I've got 4,000, I'm gonna divide it by 1,000, which gives me 4 grams. So 4 grams is less than 5 grams.